Now let us see what is present continuous. When do we use that? What is the structure of present continuous tense? Present continuous, the word itself says that it is about a continuous activity. Structure will be am or is or are plus verb plus ing. Example, I am watching TV. I am listening music. I am teaching. So let us see uses of present continuous tense. Ongoing events at the moment. Ongoing events at the moment means presently what are going on. They are discussing the matter now. I'm teaching tenses now. So some English verbs are not used in the continuous tense. You should make sure that all verbs cannot be used in the continuous verb forms. That is, for all few verbs are there which we cannot use ing forms. Now let us see what are those things. Like agree, you should not use agree. Agreeing, you should not use. I agree with you on this issue. You should not use I'm agreeing with you on this issue. So such sort of verbs are there where you shouldn't use ing forms. So now let us see the second one, where we can use present continuous tense. It can be used for temporary practices, means which are right now present, right now correct, but in future they may not be true. So what are those things? My brother is living with me now, but he'll soon move out. Means temporarily he is with me. Very soon he may go. So fact for present time, they may not be true next in coming days. And second example, she is working on this project at this moment. On this project, she is working at this moment, but later she may go with the other project. That is temporary practices. When we are talking about, you can use present continuous tense. Coming to third one, gradually changing events. When you are changing events gradually, like my grandmother is recovering slowly after her surgery, means slowly improving things, you can take help of present continuous. And coming to fourth usage, plans and arrangements made for the future, usually words indicating future time, like examples like next year, in 2020 or in 2025. When we are talking about such sort of plans and arrangements which we are going to talk about future, we can use present continuous tense. Like example, we are moving to Visakhapatnam next year. Um, like this, when we are talking about certain things which are going to happen continuously, which are going to happen for sure in future, we can take help of present continuous tense. So these are usages of present continuous tense. This present continuous tense can also be called as present perfect tense. So structure is am or is or are plus verb ing form, like I am watching, I'm eating, I'm dancing, I'm teaching, you are listening, all these things. I am eating, I am teaching, you are listening, he is reading. So these are the verb forms of present continuous tense and usages. Ongoing events at the moment, temporary practices, gradually changing events, plans and arrangements which are made for certain in future, we use this present continuous tense. Now let us see what is the use of present perfect tense and the structure. Present perfect tense structure is has plus past participle form of the verb. So then the subject is in third person, he, she, it, has plus past participle form of the verb. Now let us see the usages of this. When you are talking about experiences till date, we often use general time expressions like ever, never, before, in my life, so far, up, until now, all these things. Experiences, when you are talking about experiences till date, you can use present perfect tense. Let us see the structure here now. This is the worst film I have watched so far. I have watched. Watched so far. Have watched is the verb for present perfect structure. I told you when it is a third person singular, structure will be has. When it is other than that, I, you will be having structure, verb structure will be have plus past participle verb form. See, I have watched, have watched. Okay, that is the example. Experiences till date. And the next one is a recently completed event. When an event completed, event means action. If an event completed very recently, you can use present perfect form. Let me tell you an example. Nikhil and Nathan have just come back from their trip abroad. Nikhil and Nathan have just come back. Verb form is have come, have just come back. So Nikhil and Nathan are plural. Third person plural. Nikhil and Nathan, two people are there. So it is a plural noun, subject form. So verb will be have. If it is a singular one, verb will be verb will be what do you call has. Make sure that you have to remember like that. And third structure, have plus past participle form or the verb in all the other context. As I told you, third person singular, then verb will be has plus past participle form, and in all the other cases verb will be in have plus past participle verb form. Now let us see. An event completed in the past but has relevance for the present. An event completed, an action which is completed in the past but the result will be in the present. You can take help of present perfect tense, like my friend has left his identity card. My friend has lost, sorry, not left, has lost his identity card. Has lost is the present perfect verb form. Friend is a third person singular, friend. So verb is has lost. In all the other cases, have plus past participle verb form. So my friend has lost his identity card means now he's unable to write the examination because he couldn't find that. So the result is he is not allowed to sit in the college. He is not allowed to write the examination. In the same way, I have read War and Peace. I have read. Have read is the present perfect verb form. I is first person singular. So verb will be in have. Have plus past participle. I have read. I have read War and Peace means now I know done, completed action. But the result is I know about completely War and Peace novel. I can teach you about that. So this is third usage. Now let us concentrate on the fourth usage. A situation that began at a specific time in the past and is still continuing at the moment. We often use the prepositions for and since to the with time expression. So present perfect can also be used when the situation that began at a specific time in the past and continuing for a moment of time, with continuing for some moment of time, continuing at the moment, then we can use present perfect tense. Now let us see the examples. She has lived in Ranchi for 3 years, not continuing. She has lived in Ranchi for 3 years. Kiran has been here since 2 p.m. So here I should talk about prepositions for and since. For is used when you are referring to the duration. Since is used when you are talking about exact point of time. See, Ranchi for 3 years. An action started in the past and continued at the moment. So we are using past perfect. And for preposition, when we are not talking about exact duration, we are telling for 3 years. We are not specifically mentioning point of time. Second example. Kiran has been here since 2 p.m. means we are talking about particular point of time. So these are the usages of present perfect tense. So present perfect tense structure is third person, a singular means has plus a verb past participle. Has plus past participle form of verb. In all the other cases, if it is first person, second person, verb is have plus past participle form of verb. And the usages we have seen, what are the usages? And coming to the last one in the tense, present tense is present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Let us see the structure. has been plus verb plus ing form when the subject is third person he, she, it. In all the other cases, our structure will be have been plus verb plus ing. So let us see the usages. An activity that began at a point in the past and is still continuing. We have started an action long back in the past and still continuing at the moment, and right now also we take help of present perfect continuous tense. Let us see with one example. She has been writing her autobiography since 2013. She started that time and still she's continuing. She did not stop writing it. So second one, repeated continuous events. When you are repeating continuous events, you can take help of present perfect continuous tense. Like the company has been introducing new models of cars almost every month since 2015. So repeated continuous action. It has been introducing what the new models of cars, repeated continuous events from when? Since 2015. So present perfect continuous tense is used. But structure is has been plus verb plus ing for a third person singular. If it is first person, second person, third person plural, have been plus verb plus ing. Activity began at a point of time in the past and continuing, still continuing, you take help of present perfect continuous tense. And let us see some examples with exercises with tasks. Task 7. Identify the tense forms of the underlined verbs in these sentences. First one. How long have you known Ajay? Have you known Ajay? This is present perfect continuous tense. Second one. I have been cleaning the house all morning. Have been cleaning. Action started long back and continuing till the time. Present perfect continuous tense. The students are writing their annual exams. Are writing simple present continuous tense. We have seen this film yesterday. Have seen present perfect tense. Kangaroos live in Australia. Kangaroos live in Australia. Simple present tense. Why live? Simple present tense. Third person. Singular means if it is a kangaroo, kangaroo lives in Australia. But here kangaroos. Subject is third person plural. So verb is base form. Kangaroos live in Australia. This is simple present tense. Now let us go to the other thing. Task 8. Fill in the blanks using the correct present tense form of the verbs given in brackets. First one. Every Sunday, Suma blank her children to the park. Dash her children to the park. Option is drive. This is present habitual activity. Suma drives her children to the park. Second one. This is the best novel that I hash so far read. I have read. Present perfect form. You cannot meet any of the faculty members now. They dash a meeting. They are attending a meeting. Raghu dash in Banaras Hindu University for 2 years now. Study. Raghu has been studying present perfect continuous tense. Throughout this semester, Rima dash her assignments on time, so her professor appreciated her. Submit. Rima has submitted her assignments. And this is about present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. So this tense is very much useful in all the in all writing as well as speaking forms.